Hello viewers, so in this tutorial I am going to show you some of the basic operation with TensorFlow. So let's dive in. Import TensorFlow STF, then make a array of tensor tf.ones, give a shape out there 2 by 5. Let's see A, and you can see the type of A is tf.tensor and shape is out there 2 by 5, and the numpy value out there is of this one. Okay, so I have made an array of ones. Okay, now I want to uh, assign this numpy value to B, and let's see B, and you can see B is not a tensor out there, so it is just a numpy array. Now I want to make some constant, so a equal to tf dot I want to assign a value at a particular index. So a is a tensor. Now I want to assign a value. So if I want to assign a value at 0 0, then you can see over there I'll get an error. So I got an error. Since it is a tensor, I cannot put out there any value directly, so I have to convert the tensor to a variable, TensorFlow variable. For that reason, a equal to tf dot write out their variable, pass out their a, and now you can see the type of a has converted to tf dot variable. So now I want to assign a value. I want to put at their 10. So you can see I have assigned out there 10 successfully. Okay, now I want to make constant out there. So a is a constant, b is another constant, tf dot constant out there, put out there 3. Now I want to multiply a and b, so I can do this through various ways. So a star b, then you can see I have got a tensor and the numpy value is 6. Now if I want to multiply, there is another way, tf dot multiply, put out there a and b, and you can see I have got the same result. So if I want to convert, want to only have multiply the numpy, so b dot numpy, then you can see I have got a integer value of Python. Okay, so I have multiplied. Now I want to multiply to matrix. Okay, so for that reason, just make two matrix 1 equal to tf dot just make a matrix of constant, give out there 3 comma 3. So if I write the shape through a comment, so shape will be 1 comma 2. Now if I multiply to matrix, okay, so so make another matrix tf dot constant and give out there, I want to make an array of shape 2 by 1 or 2 by 1 should be fine. Put out there comma, make it there float, and if I write the shape out there, shape equal to will be 2 comma 1. So if I matmal two matrix, so after multiplication I'll have a shape I'm writing the shape out there, shape through comment. So I'll be having output of 1. So how I am telling this, and you can see the last number out there is 2 and the first number out there is 2. So these two number will diminish and the first two 1 will exist, and I will be having shape of 1 comma 1. Okay, now let's make the product equal to tf dot metmul and put out there matrix 1 and matrix 2. So let's see, and you can see over there I have, and if I want to see the shape, and you can see I have a tensor of 1 by 1. Okay, so this is how you can do multiplication, normal multiplication and matrix multiplication through TensorFlow. So this is all for this tutorial, and as always, thanks for watching. I will be having a new topic in the next tutorial. Thank you.